Most businesses do not have a lead problem. They have a follow-up problem. You spend all this time doing your marketing to try to get the click, the new website visitor, the social media follower, and then boom, they're gone. 99.9% of people that visit your website leave and never come back. And that's on you for not following up. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. In today's video, I'm going to break down what relationship marketing is, how we've used it over the last 10 years to work with over 3,000 brands, and how you can copy and paste this strategy for your business to build better relationships with your leads. That's what will truly get the sale. In today's video, I'm going to break down the 3 steps that you can start using to make sure that your lead starts to like you, starts to trust you, remembers you, and always comes back and buys from you over your competitor. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to share with you my secret email strategy that will convert 30% of your past prospects into warm leads again. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd share my screen just like this so you can see exactly what I'm speaking about, copy it, and actually start using it. A lot of videos are all theory, and this is what you should do, but I'm giving you the exact prompts, the system to actually copy and paste to get results. And if you want the exact system I'm sharing today, comment system down below and somebody from my team will send it over. All right, so step 1 out of the 3 steps are videos. And that's going to be our pillar piece that we always recommend doing. 1 long form video per week to build education just like this. The second step are emails. What are things that you can do to send to your clients so they don't forget about you? A lot of times people come to your website, they follow you on social media, maybe they watch a video, but they don't get emails. If you stay at the top of their inbox, you're more likely to be hired over your competitors because all they have to do is respond to you because they remember you. Last but not least, the ads. Those ads that retarget your customers say, remember me, remember me, remember me. Now, these shouldn't be sales ads. These ads you can get started for just $5 a day to remind them about you by educating and answering common questions. All right, so step 1 are the videos. I feel like videos are the best way to build better relationships online. That's really the goal, to get a lead to convert to a customer. They hear about you, they start to trust you, they watch a video, and then they want to hire you. So we recommend creating 1 long form video per week here. I like doing it on Mondays. You can do it really any day that works best for you. And what this is called your pillar piece. Your pillar piece is the premium education you're providing your customers. Come and learn from you. So you can see that on Monday, I need to record a long form YouTube video. This is going to turn into multiple pieces, into a podcast, and into a blog post. Now, if you're nervous about making videos, don't know how to make videos, there's multiple different angles you can do. You can just record them on your phone. I always recommend horizontal, so you can then upload them to YouTube and just answer common questions people ask. You can also hire a company to come and help you record a video. And additionally, you can be a guest on a podcast where the podcast host asks you these specific questions to actually turn into your marketing videos. That's exactly what we do. We partner with a podcast host that interviews me, turns it into YouTube videos, shorts, and reels. That's usually the best option for you. Now, I'm going to include that link down below in the description if you want to learn more about that. If you're not comfortable on camera, you don't know what to say, you don't have the equipment, set up a podcast interview, and that can be turned into 90 pieces of content to really help you grow. Now, part of the relationship marketing is being consistent. So building relationships through videos, posting reviews and testimonials, talking about different things that your business does and how it helps people, being authentic and real, sharing your story. I like to do throwback Thursdays on Thursdays, answering your customers' common questions. Always go through those frequently asked questions your customers have, go back and answer them. Being social, sharing your social, your personal. That's why personal brands are so strong right now. They stick out above the competition. Now, this is video 1 out of my 4-part series where we're going to be breaking down relationship marketing. Now, if you want to subscribe to the playlist, make sure to subscribe to the playlist here, and I'll put it in the description, because then we're going to really dive in to these common questions and how you're going to make videos about them to build better relationships. The next thing you need to do is create welcome style videos for your website and for your YouTube channel. This is where you're going to educate, tell your story, and truly build that relationship. The amount of sales calls I get on where somebody says, hey, Brad, I've watched all your videos, I've learned from you, I trust you, I'm ready to sign up, has helped our business grow dramatically. So if you want to truly grow your business, create a welcome video for your website just like this. You can go to our site /about, and you can see mine here as an example. Just 1 minute and 15 seconds long, but it helps build that relationship. Additionally, build a relationship style video for your YouTube channel. If somebody comes in from your marketing, you can post this on your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, and it's a good way to build that relationship. If somebody watches that, they're going to start to trust you, learn from you, see your personality, and then want to learn more and subscribe and watch more. Now, we're going to dive into this on the next video even more to help you create these videos with the exact strategies. But what you're going to find in the description below are my 6 prompts to help you actually start learning and generating these videos. make sure to get on a podcast and or use these prompts to start creating your own. All right, step number 2 out of the 3 are emails. So if you send spam emails, if you send promo emails and newsletter emails, no one's ever going to see them. No one's ever going to read them. They're not going to like you. You're going to end up in the promo folder, in the spam folder. Emails are more strict than ever. So if you look at our template here that you can go ahead and grab, if you join my relationship marketing system, you'll get access to these engagement emails that get a 60% open rate, get people to actually click them, land in the inbox, open them, respond back, and actually buy from you. So you can see that these are specific emails you should be sending to build relationships. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you're going to see that we want to send these out as plain text emails. You want your emails to look as personable, helpful, and educational as possible. If somebody's expecting to get sold to, if they're expecting to get this really long email, if you're wasting all your time designing and making it look beautiful, your customers don't have time for that, and quite frankly, they don't care. We're just trying to build relationships with people here. That's part of relationship marketing. Show them videos so they can trust you. Send personal style one-to-one emails so they open them, learn something from you, and want to engage and want to do something. So you can see right here, you want to be really focused on the subject line. A preview text is a preview on their phone or even in the inbox to show them what this email is about. You can use expert copywriting we use on these templates, and then a plain text email that's no more than 250 characters. That's key. It's proven that anything over 250 characters are not going to be read. People don't got time for that. They're on their phone. They're in a hurry. So what we want to do is write this as a plain text, personal email, try to get them to respond, try to give them a helpful tip. The goal is to stay there. If they open the first 3 emails from you, you're going to stay in the inbox for much longer. From there, you can go ahead and send a follow-up email a few days later. And this is another quick tip, something you're seeing in your industries, showing that you're the expert. In these emails, you want to be providing value, showing that you're an expert, giving them free tips. You don't want to be selling them. That is the key. I'm giving them another free tip just a few days later, another one and another one. So what I like to do is send these personal emails over a series of 2 weeks. The rule of relationship marketing is to follow up 24 times on 3 different platforms. So what we're going to be doing is showing them your videos, sending them these plain text emails, and then in this last step, showing the retargeting ads so they never forget about you. So what I want you to do is be really strategic about this. Now you can sign up for our CRM that sends these emails and these templates. You can also just grab our templates and implement it into your own email marketing and CRM. You'll be able to find the links for my affiliates down below if you need a new CRM. The goal is to make sure you have these emails set up, ready to go, test them out, and of course, give me any feedback. If you have questions, my team can help you with that. Now, last but not least for the emails is after they go through the plain text emails and you follow up with them over a series of 2 to 4 weeks, you want to start sending a newsletter. You can send a plain text, helpful newsletter, and that is just going to go and continue to help you stay top of mind. I actually had a customer become a customer 3 years after being on my email list. He went through the series of follow-up emails that strategically provided value and educated him. He wasn't ready to buy yet, so I continued sending him my newsletter once a month. 3 years after he read all of those emails I saw, I was able to track that he read all the emails. He finally became a customer because I stayed top of mind with my emails. I want you to do that for yourself. I need you to stay top of mind. Use these prompts, use AI, be personal to continue sending emails. Okay, tip number 3 is you can set up retargeting ads for just $5 a day to remind people to come back. Now, in our dashboard, we want to make sure we track where all of our leads come from, where the prospects come from, and exactly where they're clicking. So I know that 1,400 people are coming from Google, Direct, ChatGPT, YouTube, Bing, Facebook. So these are all channels that I should set up retargeting ads for. And it's actually easier than ever to set these up. What you need to do is install a pixel on your site so that anyone that visits your website and or connects or follows you on social media, they're able to start seeing your ads so they don't forget about you. Now, what we don't want to do is send ads that are strictly selling. What we want to do is continue sending ads that are organic, educational style posts. Now, here's an example of one of our retargeting ads that does super well. I'm specifically saying, hey, I know you checked out our website, you showed interest, don't forget about me. Now you can use humor, you can make it fun, you can make it personal, but the goal is to use these ads, just spend $5 a day to start to say, hey, you came to my website, you followed my page. Don't forget about us. We're going to stay at the top of your newsfeed. We're here when you're ready. I don't have to sell them. I don't have to tell them to buy something. All I have to simply say is, hey, don't forget about us. We're still here. And that's what I want you to do with your business, is to create ads, whether it's an image, a carousel, a video, that are educational, helpful, but most of all, are going to stay top of mind. Now, if you take a look at my YouTube channel here, we even set up YouTube ads to retarget people. So if anyone visits our website or watches any of my YouTube videos, we'll then start showing more ads to them. So when somebody comes to YouTube next, I'm going to be up at the top. Now, YouTube is actually connected with Google. So we go into the Google ad account, We set up ads on the Google platform to say, hey, if anyone visits our website, if anyone watches a video, let's show them another video. Let's show them another ad so they don't forget about us. The main thing you don't want to do is be annoying with your ads. So a lot of times when somebody goes to click and watch a video, they show a pre-roll ad. That's an ad that you have to watch before you can actually watch the video. I try to avoid those at all costs because everyone cannot wait to hit skip. Maybe you saw an ad before my video. You couldn't wait to hit skip. So the goal is to add a recommended video. So you can see right here on my YouTube feed, this is a video that I can either watch in my frame or I can click and go to their website. I'm going to scroll down. Here could be another one. As you scroll, you'll start seeing a button, sponsor. So this is a sponsored ad that can show up on Google and all of the Google platforms. I'm going to keep scrolling down and see if I see another ad. So you can see they're pretty spread out. Here's another one for Starlink as well. Now, once you go to the video and you click on it, you can then see recommended videos on the side. So if somebody's watching one of my videos and or another competitor's video, I can show my YouTube ad right here in the top right as the recommended next video. So as you can see, this is a pre-roll ad here. I can't wait to hit skip. I don't want to watch this, but I can click on this ad up here in the top right. Okay, so what are you waiting for? It's time for you to build better relationships with your leads. If you know you're losing out on 99.9% of leads, why don't you try to figure out a way to build a system, use a system to follow up with them so they never forget? We see about a 30% increase. In fact, we just started working with a company that was only bringing in new customers, new visitors, and they weren't following up. They were averaging a certain amount of sales every month. Within 1 month of us building our system, they grew 30% in sales. They didn't have to spend more on ads. They didn't have to set up all this crazy marketing stuff. They didn't have to post more. All they had to do is take everyone they were already marketing to, remind them, and it grew by 30%. So that is the key. You want to build a system to make it easy for your business to automatically follow up with everything. Now you're going to see in the link below my relationship marketing system. This is the exact system that we use to scale our company to over 24 million in sales, over 3,000 leads per month. And it all starts with video to email to ads. If you copy and paste this system and plug it into your business, I guarantee you're going to get more followers, more leads, and more customers. Now, if you want a proven system you and your team can just copy and paste into your marketing, you'll find that link right below in the description. Feel free to grab it, copy it, and you'll get my exact system. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be really awesome, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and check out the playlist that's going to break down each one of these steps later on this week. We're going to go from video to email to ads, step by step, so you can learn it and actually start using it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.